Alright, today we're going to take these locking GM hubcaps off. So I don't have the tool, but what I do have is an assortment of other tools we're going to try. So I grabbed some channel locks, some big sockets, obviously a ratchet and extension, and I got a heat gun. So this is my sacrifice hubcap. So we're going to try on this one first, because if we damage it, it don't hurt nothing. So obviously I don't have the key here. What I want to do is see if I can get a socket on this outer edge. So 1 1/16 is too big. So 1 inch. 1 inch don't quite fit on it. So I don't know if I should try to heat up the socket or just go straight for the plastic. I'll start with the socket first. Probably be easier with a torch. It went on. I don't know if that was because it melted on or I hammered it on. I was just trying to even it up a little bit. Well, it came out. So I'm just going to screw it on just a little bit. Just to get my socket off. Okay. Don't do what I just did. Keep it off. So that worked easier than I thought it would. This is the worst part, is getting these things out. Let's see if we can hit it on without heating it up. Yeah. Screw this back on. Take your socket off. Alright, so there it is. 1 inch socket. I like to use an extension. 1/2 inch drive. This will also double as the hammer. Alright, I hope that helps someone. And, thanks for watching.